Hello, my name is Izzy Vaughn, and this is Magic Chase, the Magic Racing board game. Overview, the genre would be racing. Think of Mario Kart, RC Racing. The selling point of this game, race against opponents while using magic. The design goal, roll 3 even numbers 2 times back to back to unlock magic abilities. In order to move, you must roll 3 even numbers, but if you roll 3 odds, then you stay where you're at. The magic abilities consist of speed, freeze, fire, and earth shatter. The story of the game, wizards, up to 5 players, race on brooms against each other to get to the wizard castle. The winning condition would be you would win the race, excuse me, and the losing conditions would be you would lose. Um, the design of the board game, it would look something very similar to Candyland or your game Monopoly or any of your favorite board games, as long as it has a track that you guys can race on. The dices are going to look very similar to D&D dices. You guys can choose from 3-sided dice, as long as it um, is in the quantity of 3. And it has your evens and odd numbers. Characters and icons, you could choose from magic brooms, hats, or wizard hats, magic wands, and so on and so forth. And yeah, there's my game.